Daijia, everybody, welcome back. We got a fantastic video lined up for you. Took a little finagling to get a media pass, but we did get one. We're here at the 2026 International Food Expo. All right, guys, this event is already packed. Even though I got here early, I thought I was going to have a lot of space to be able to film, talk with vendors, and actually try different snacks, but that doesn't look like that's going to. Give you a real quick heads up. This is more of a business to consumer show than a business to business show. So everything's available for sampling and purchase. So we're going to try a few things as we go.
Hi, hello.
你好，你好。
对啊。
Looks like they're running a little behind, still setting up for today's consumers. I got here when it first opened and the place is still packed, making it very difficult to film all the booths, but I'll do. Got our first sample of the day. Let's check it out. Look how long the line.
味道一样。
鱼蟹嘞，鱼丝。
Taiwan tea.
Taiwan tea, yeah.
High mountain tea?
Yeah.
She say. Well, it smells good. Some of the best tea in the world comes from Taiwan high mountains.
Did I?
Very good.
敢吃酸吗？
Another long line. This vendor must be good. No, I can sample. Sample. Whiskey?
No, plum wine.
With it?
Plum wine.
Plum wine. Oh, let's try it. Very good, very good. Be sampling some whiskey. Let's see, Taiwan whiskey. Point here. All right, guys, that's what I'm going to be sampling. Smells good. Taiwan whiskey is normally very, very good. Very good.
Okay, it's okay.
Very good.
Thank you.
All right, guys, the International Food Show isn't that large, but it is definitely packed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, guys, 大家再见.